Hi, welcome to everyone. Let's make Excel easier with 12 quick shortcuts. Going to explore a fantastic feature, using Ctrl+E called Flash Fill. I have a list of names in a column that are in the format first name last name, and I want to split them into separate columns for first and last names. Type the first name, then press enter. Now, press Ctrl and E at the same time, and watch the magic happen. Excel intelligently recognizes the pattern, and applies it to the entire column, separating first and last names into their respective columns. Flash Fill is not just limited to name splitting. You can use it to format dates, fix inconsistent data, and more. Ctrl+H is the keyboard shortcut for the Find and Replace feature in Microsoft Excel. It allows you to search for specific text or values in your spreadsheet and replace them with something else. Here, I have a sales spreadsheet with some data that needs updating. We have product names like old product that we want to change to new product. To use Ctrl+H, first, select the entire sheet, or the specific range where you want to perform the find and replace. Now, press Ctrl+H, and the Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Enter the text you want to find, which is old product, in this case. In the Replace with field, enter what you want to replace it with, which is new product. You can also use options like Match Case, or Match Entire Cell Contents for more precise replacements. When you're ready, click Replace, or replace all instances of old product with new product. Ctrl+H is a fantastic tool for efficiently updating your data or correcting errors in your spreadsheet. It saves you a lot of manual work. In Excel, select the column or columns you want to auto-resize. You can do this by clicking the column header letters at the top of the sheet. Another easy method is, first press Ctrl+A for select all data, then press the following keys in sequence, Alt, H, O, and I. This combination of keys activates the command to automatically adjust the column width to fit the contents in the selected columns. Select the cell below a column of numbers, or the cell to the right of a row of numbers that you want to sum. Then press Alt and the equal sign at the same time. Then press Enter to complete the formula, and Excel will display the sum of the selected range. I have a task list with various items that need completion, and we want to add a timestamp to mark when each task was completed. Simply select the cell where you want to insert the current date, and press Ctrl and semicolon square bracket at the same time. The current date will automatically appear in the selected cell. Same like you can use Ctrl+Shift+ and semicolon bracket, press at the same time for insert current time. This is incredibly useful when you are managing tasks, creating logs, or tracking progress. I have a comprehensive list of products with various attributes, and we want to make this data more manageable and easier to analyze. To activate filtering, simply select any cell within your dataset, and then press Ctrl, Shift, and L at the same time. This action instantly applies filters to your data. You will notice drop-down arrows in the header row of each column. You can now use these to sort and filter your data based on specific criteria. So, next time you're working with large datasets, don't forget Ctrl+Shift+L for instant data filtering. Select the rows or columns you want to group. Press Alt and Shift together and then press the right arrow key. This action will group the selected rows or columns, creating an outline. You can use the plus and minus buttons, or other outlining tools in Excel, to expand, or collapse the grouped data, making it more organized and easier to navigate. Select the cell, or text, where you want to create or edit a hyperlink. Press Ctrl+K, and the Insert Hyperlink dialog will open. In the dialog, you can specify the link's destination, such as a web address, file, email address, or location within the workbook. Once you have entered the link information, click OK to create or edit the hyperlink. Ctrl and the plus key is the keyboard shortcut for inserting a new row or column in Excel. It allows you to quickly add a row above the selected row or a column to the left of the selected column. Same like Ctrl and minus key, you can use for remove row or column. Select the cell where you want to add a comment. Press Shift+F2. This will open the cell for editing, allowing you to add a comment. Select the cell, or range of cells you want to format. Press Ctrl+Shift+$, and Excel will apply the currency format to the selected cells. To change the currency format, select the cell or range of cells that you want to format with a different currency. You can press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog. In the category list on the left, choose Currency. In the symbol drop-down, select the currency symbol of the country you want to represent. If the desired currency is not available in the list, you can select Custom and enter the currency symbol manually. Click OK to apply the new currency format to the selected cells. Process to add a country code to mobile numbers in Excel. Select the cell, press Ctrl+1 to format the cell. Select the custom option. Delete the general input message. Enter the +1 for the US country code, then type 10-0. Click the OK button to apply the changes. This can be useful when you need to update multiple mobile numbers in a spreadsheet to include the country code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you. Bye.